In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money or transfer money from your PayPal account to your Wise account. So here, whether you have money in your PayPal account, balance in your PayPal account, or you have it on the card, you can send money to the Wise account. Let's start from home here. Then you go to wallet, and when you go to your wallet, you can send a payment. So you can send a payment from your PayPal account. So you hit send a payment, and then you're going to send money payment to your Wise account, which is this account. I did a video showing you how to link this account in your PayPal account, and this is a Wise account, so you can go ahead and watch that video before you get here to transfer the money from your PayPal account to the Wise account. So if you want to get money from your PayPal to your Wise account, this is how you do it. So you click on the bank account here and you hit next, and you select the amount that you want to send. If you want to send $30, I'm going to hit next, and it's free to send money from your PayPal account to the Wise account. So once you hit next, you can transfer money now to the Wise account. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. And remember, now you're sending money from PayPal to your Wise. I've done a video as well how to send money from your Wise to your local bank account. So if you have money in PayPal and want to send it to Wise to use your card, the link is right here. You can click on this link to follow the instructions to do so. And there you have it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more videos like this in transferring your money online from one account to the next, from PayPal to your bank account, from your bank account to PayPal. Bye.